Right. The best piece of career advice I can give anybody is whatever career you choose, find the leaders in that field, get to meet them and get them to mentor you. How the hell do you do that? Well, let me tell you how I did it for my career. When I was a student, I wanted to be a trader. I trained to be a barrister, but I wanted to be a trader. So how the hell do I get to meet the world's leading traders out of New York and Chicago? What I did, I approached about 24 different publishers and said to them, look, if I can interview 10 of the world's leading traders, will you publish those interviews? And then I went to 10 of the world's leading traders, people like John Najarian, David Kite, Bernard Opity, Bill Lipschutz, who was global head of foreign exchange trading at Salomons. I said, will you agree to be in this book if it's published? By then, I'd got the publisher. Publisher number 24. 23 rejected me. Number 24, Financial Times said, yes, we'll publish it. So those traders then, thanks to ego or whatever else, agreed to be interviewed by me. I got to meet them, develop a relationship. I asked them all the questions I wanted to know. How do I excel at this profession? 10 years later, I had my own hedge fund. Meet the leaders in your field. Go the extra mile. Get them to mentor you. Don't just ask them, will you mentor me? They won't do it. You're going to give them something. Use the technique I did.